An old friendship cooling. An old rivalry thawing. This is Bangladesh.
Bangladesh and India, a golden era gone cold. Bangladesh and Bhutan, the first to say you're free. Bangladesh and Pakistan, a history hard to erase. Bangladesh and Japan, a bridge built brick by brick. Bangladesh and Britain, an old map long put down. Bangladesh and Britain, friends now. Bangladesh and Myanmar, a weight that won't go home.
Like, subscribe, comment. Let's go.
Bangladesh and China, a port built fast and wide. Bangladesh and Russia, a reactor built with care. Bangladesh and Saudi Arabians that build the day. Bangladesh and America, a handshake newly made. Bangladesh and America. Bangladesh and Malaysia, a contract watch with care. Bangladesh and Nepal, a road down to the sea. Like, subscribe and comment, bro.